ingredients I will be using for this yam and catfish pepper soup: 2 medium size of onions, blended pepper soup spices, and blended dry pepper, and blended crayfish. So, and here is the yam I'm going to use. I froze it. Like, this is what I normally do when I buy yam. I just peel it and put it in the freezer so it can stay as long as I want. So now I'm going to defrost the yam and wash the fish. So I'm going to remove everything from the fish, like the things I won't be needing, and I'm still going to cut it a little bit wide open to see if there is something inside that I don't want, those things that we don't need in the fish. Okay, so when I'm done washing it, I'm going to slice the fish, and when I'm done, I'm still going to wash it again, just to make sure it's clean enough. So now I'm going to cut it into 5 pieces. So the size you cut your fish is optional, but this is how I want to do mine. So now that I'm done with the cutting, I'm going to put it in the bowl where I'm going to be washing it one more time. Then when I'm done washing it, I put it in the pot. So here we go, and there. So I'm going to blend those things together, which is dry pepper, dry crayfish, and dry pepper soup spices. This pepper soup spicy is, I bought it without blending, so it's me that do the blending myself because I like to see what I'm using. Also with the crayfish, everything I'm using there, I blend them myself. So now I'm going to just put them there, then add a little water to it to make sure it cooks very well. So I'm going to add everything that I want to add in the pepper soup to this one right now. I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of seasoning powder. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook. So now the fish is cooked. So this is how it should look like. This is how the water is right now. So it's almost completely dried. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a stir it a little bit, then add the water to it before I add the yam. I stir it very well after I add the yam, then cover it. Guys, it's ready. It's so simple, very simple. So guys, if you like what you've seen, and please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I will drop a new video. To our returning subscriber, we say thank you so much and say may God bless you all. So guys, after you cover it, now is ready. It's ready to be served. So as pepper soup, we don't need it to be too dry, so I have some water to drink along with the fish and the yam. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.